Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin here. Hey, what you're looking at is one of my investment accounts here. And I like to do these type of videos because it's important for me to be very transparent with people, because I can show you cards and show you stuff, but not that many successful people actually log into their accounts. And what I'm going to do here, because I'm having a good day in the stock market here, I want to show you how I diversify my money, okay? And I want to show you, I'm going to log in. Look, that's my information here, and I'm about to log in, and you're going to see the money here, okay? I'll parse and understand I have many accounts, okay? Not just Fidelity. I have Ameritrade. I have different banking accounts outside the U.S. as well. And I do this because it's important to diversify. And not just that. You don't want to put all your money in one bank account or in one institution because you'll spend it all. Trust me, you will. I know I will. So I put my money everywhere and I forget about it. I have millions of dollars in other bank accounts that I don't even know exist because I don't want to think about it, right? I just wanted to sit there when I'm ready to use that money. It's available for me, okay? Makes sense? So what I'm going to do here, guys, put your names below if you want me to log in here. How much money you want me to show you? A couple of million? I'm just kidding, folks. Put your names below. I want to give you guys a shout out before I log in here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley Virgin. I help people like yourself become wealthy, right? Using practical and very metaphysical type techniques, okay? If you ever want to learn what I do, how I created this wealth, first thing you need to do is, if you're on YouTube, just click the link in the description below, wesleyvirgin.com/online help. Or if you're on Instagram right now, just look up. I always leave the link in my bio on my Instagram account, right? It may be for you. It may not be for you, but it's available, okay? And it will show you how I created wealth over the past 5 years, okay? Adam, what's up? Aldrich, Keisha, what's up, girl? Robin, Dimitri, Ariton, Galo, Maisha. If I say your name, hit the like button just to let me know that you heard me clearly here. Blake, Solomon, the sweetest girl, Maisha from H-Town, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and log in real quickly here. Oh, that did not work. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I got to type in my social security number. I don't want to share that with the world because, may have some crazy people out there. Not sure. All right, here we go. Guys, want to see this right here? All right. So look at that. That's $506,000 here. Have you ever seen this amount of money before? See, and I show you guys this just to let you know. Like, I'm a regular African-American black kid. I'm not that smart. I'm really not. I dropped out of college, got kicked out the army. I was a badass. I made bad grades in school. And I still have many accounts that have it's $500,000. And I know to some people that's not a lot of money, but to a lot of people, that's a lot of money to have in an account. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do in this video, I've made in 2 days like $10,000. We have an upwards trend here. And I've been letting the stock sit here for a while, even though I was down. And the same stock that I'm about to show you that I lost. Oh, let me see. I lost like 40,000, but I made 200,000. So I'm actually still in the green because I sold it very early. Then I bought more. It went down, but it's going back up. So in a couple of days here, a couple of weeks, it's probably going to be at $700,000, to be honest with you, okay? I just want to show you guys how rich people think, how wealthy people think. It's all mindset. It's not because I got secrets. I just have a discipline, okay? I'm very disciplined when it comes to money. In my 20s, I was not disciplined. All the money I would receive, maybe like you, I would spend it. I get money, spend money, get money, spend money, right? Then I've learned to get money and to keep money and to diversify money and let money work for me. Make sense? And I've split money up everywhere on purpose so I don't spend all the money in one account. Make sense? Done. You want to shout out? Junior, whoever want to shout out, there you go. Some of you guys like, oh my God, that's a lot of money. I know it looks like it, right? I have many accounts like this, guys. I have some accounts that's $1 million in it, just been sitting there for like years, to be honest with you. That's why when you guys listen, understand if I made $1,000 today, wait, hold up. If I made $1,400, I can go buy some shoes, right? I can buy something, right? Say if you made that every day based off the money that you have in here, that's just accruing interest based off the stocks that I'm buying. Understand, it's a risk. But me, I'm a boss. I'm a lion, which means is I don't care, right? I always think about the affirmative. I'm always like, I'm going to put my money here. Even if I lose it or gain it, usually I'm going to make money. But I'm not afraid to take risks. I'm not afraid to lose money because I don't believe you really lose money. I think money can leave you, but money can find its way back to you. All right? Can everybody hear me? Because I'm going to show you the stock. Any questions here? Okay? I want to sign up. And remember, guys, right now, as you hear my voice, as you're feeling good about this money that you're seeing here, you can always look below. If this on YouTube, I left a link like I always do. I always leave a link because I know some people take action now and some people wait to take action now. But whenever you take action, as long as you take action now, it's up to you. Okay, I will leave a link below, or you can click the link in my bio, and it just teaches you what I do online to create this wealth, okay? This is not an online business, but it's online, right? So I'm doing business online with Fidelity, right? There's so many ways to make money online. You guys are not going to believe this. Like, I'm doing this video right now, and Ty Lopez is calling me again. Ty always calls me at the wrong time. Ty, I love you, bro, but give me a second. Let me finish this video, okay? So check this out. Let me give you guys the stock market. Remember, all you have to do is go to my bio, or you can go to the link that's below this video to learn what I do. I actually teach you online millionaire mastery, how to do it. Many people rave about this product because it works, and I've had a lot of people make a lot of money. Here we go. CBIS, see that? This is the stock that I've been investing in, and we were down. You see here? I'm down, right? But even though that shows negative, actually I'm positive because I sold earlier. Like last year I sold it and I made $200,000 and I bought it again and the stock went down, right? All right, which showed me in the negative in the red, but now it's going back up. In the last 2 days, it went up $10,000. Can I get an amen? Make sense? Is everybody tracking with me, okay? Any questions? It's a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys this. And I like to show people just to, so you can see money like this. Let me know what billionaire around the world is going to log in. Man, Ty is calling me again. Ty, I'm going to call you in a second, man. Ty Lopez, me and him about to work on something big. I haven't shared this with the world yet, but I will. But not yet. Something life-changing is about to happen for a lot of people, including yourself. So, yeah, cool. I can't talk too much about it right now. But, yeah, I want people to see this. So if they see this, then they can believe this, then it can happen for you. I got to let you guys go. I got to jump on the phone real quickly here. But remember, all you have to do, if you want to learn what I do and how I do it, just click the link below in my bio, or just click the link in, let me see, where's that link at? On Instagram, it's in my bio, but on YouTube is in the description below. Oh, if you're on Facebook people, you can click the link below. Oh, one thing, warning. When you see this, do not ask me for money, okay? This is my pet peeve of mine. If any person on the planet, I don't care if you're a beautiful woman, I don't care if you're my brother, my friend, my children, even my children, don't ask me for money, okay? Now, I do this because I want people to know this is real, okay? I'm not trying to brag or boast or impress anybody, but I understand that seeing is believing. I can talk all day about what I have, but if I can show you, if you can see with your own eyes, I want to use this as a tool to increase your belief. So don't ask me for money, all right? If you want to get on my bad side, ask me for $1. I will block you. You wouldn't even know. I just would stop answering your calls, and I would stop even like talking to you, all right? I love you. I appreciate you. Now it's time for you to go out and get it. Hey, guys, much love. Remember, in my bio below, wesleyvirgin.com/online-help if you want help from me. If not, just look below this video. I'll leave a link. Much love. Let's go.